guys, welcome back to another vlog. Got a good one today. We got a good one today. I upgraded my firearm, my everyday carry, my concealed weapon recently, a couple weeks ago, and I have yet to put rounds through it. So guess where we're headed today? That's right, we're going to the shooting range. It's been a while since I've been to the range, but I picked up a new firearm. Trusty Glock 19 Gen 5, upgraded from the 4. Unfortunately sold the 4 a while ago. Man, I love that gun. Let a close friend who unfortunately passed away recently borrow that for police academy, and I'm killing myself for selling it. Trusty weapon though. You can drop it, you can put it in mud, you can run over with your truck and it's still good to go. You know, I put thousands of rounds through that gun. So we got the 5 now. We'll talk about some pros and cons, some upgrades I did to my kit, and you know, put some rounds through it. Sounds like fun? It's gonna be fun. Look at these really weird traffic lights here in Utah. They'll make the one side that's not busy during rush hour and close it down to 2 lanes, while they'll keep the other 5 open. It just doesn't work. Let me show you. It's these right here. Not a fan. I don't know. Not a fan. What do you like for your everyday carry? Put it in the comments below. Love to hear from you. Glock 19 holds 15 plus 1. So to load them up, a little indicator here that shows them they're full.
Are you going to edit this part out?
Yeah. I wanted to go over my setup here. I know it's a little loud, sorry. So I got the Glock 19 Gen 5. It does have a hollow con. Let's see if you can see it. About 10 yards out. Never used a red dot before, or this gun. Let's see how I do. time to clean up this mess. Never use this reloader. Any of you guys? Thinking about getting like a 22 handgun for my kids. It'd be super fun for them to shoot and get them introduced into shooting, so it's not like freaking them out, you know. I'm good, thank you. You too. Well, they didn't have a great selection of guns to buy, but they have a couple to rent. Definitely gonna come back here and rent some, I think, sometime. I did only put 100 rounds through the gun, but I figured that was a good break-in. That red dot helps acquire the target a lot better than I thought it would. But you notice there was a little discrepancy on where I was trying to hit. You could tell where I was going. You saw the quadrants. I think the red dot needs to be adjusted. I just installed it. I haven't had one before, so I'll have to look into if that's even a thing. Otherwise, it's probably just comes down to practicing. Put, you know, a ton more rounds down the barrel. But super excited. That was a lot of fun. I wish I could have showed you around more. They don't allow a lot of video in there, understandably. It's their own thing. They even have a restaurant. It's burgers and fries. Real American. Appreciate you coming with me. If you're new here, welcome. And I sure appreciate a subscribe. Until next time, we'll see ya.